Let's dive into the science of yawning. Yawning is not just about being tired, it's a complex physiological response. It's a way for pets to regulate their body temperature, increase alertness, and even communicate their emotions. Your pet may yawn when they're feeling anxious or stressed, as a way to signal their discomfort or unease. Have you ever noticed that when you yawn, your pet sometimes yawns too? This phenomenon is known as contagious yawning. It's a sign of social bonding and empathy between you and your pet. It's common for pets to yawn before settling down for a nap or bedtime. Yawning helps them relax and prepare for a restful slumber. So, if you notice your pet yawning, don't always assume they're tired. It might be their way of telling you something more. Until next time, may your pet's yawns be a source of wonder and connection.